Hello students, my name is Mrs. Phyllis and I am your teaching artist and owner of A Touch of Classical Plus. Today's video is for those of you who are beginning, and I'm going to talk through 3 simple pieces that have a lot of technique in them, and this will set you up for what's to come. The first piece is a reinforcement of the open strings, and it's called the Ants song. Now, you first learn this piece by plucking with your left hand, and you learn how to set the frame of your hand in the high position, and we first begin this piece by plucking with the 4th finger, like this. Each and every ant, digging in the dirt, going underground, ground. Now, below I will list the technical points and also the lyrics to these pieces that have lyrics to them, so you can use that as a reference. Now, and so I'm not going to go into all the technical points in this video. I will leave that in the description that you can read, and then we can discuss them when you come for your next lesson. So that was the ant song, plucking. Now we're going to use the bow and do the same thing. One of the things I do want to point out, when you repeat each string 3 times, you will rock your bow silently to the next string, like this. Each and every digging in the going under. You see what I did there? So there is silence during the string crossing. And if you notice in the lyrics, it's the words that are being spoken where musically that line is descending, that you raise your arm. I'll do it one more time. Each and every digging in the going under. And that's it. The next piece is called The Rainbow and Mr. Frog. Now, this rainbow and the frog who says ribbit on the G string is attributed to my colleague, Mr. Ben. So all the rainbow is, if you picture a rainbow, it looks like an arch, right? An arch of many colors. And so that's what your bow is doing across the string. It's creating this arch. So we start on the G string. I'm going to do this silently first. And then you're going to just lower and raise your arm. Okay. This is the motion that you will use to create the arch. Now, when we play it, it's going to sound like this. So you're just pulling your arm down and pushing your arm up while rocking and rolling. In another video, I explained about rocking and rolling. And so the rainbow, that's how we play the rainbow portion of the song. Now, the frog, we're going to rest our bow at the frog on the G string, and you're going to make the sound that the frog makes. Ribbit, ribbit. And you're going to do that 4 times. That's it. We're going to start with the frog, saying ribbit, and then we'll do the rainbow. So we'll do 4 ribbits on G, and then 2 rainbows. Let me explain when I say 2 rainbows. This is 1 time, is 2 times. Does that make sense? Let's begin. Set your bow at the G string. So here's our frog. And that's it. Okay, our last exercise is the monkey song. In another video, I also demonstrated this version of the monkey song. This is not the version that you learned with me. This also is attributed to Mr. Ben. In this version, we are walking up each string just with 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3, starting from the open string. So the pattern on each string is 0, 1, 2, 3. Roll your bow to the open E. Okay, and we do that pattern again on each string. The last string, we start from the A string. And then the last string that we'll do is the E string, but we'll play that one softly. And we'll end by placing the bow behind the bridge. Let me show that one to you. So after you've played the 3rd finger, you're going to lift your bow and place it behind the bridge and play there. That's how the song will end. Okay, here we go from the beginning. So again, we start on A, and then we're going to play the pattern on all the strings, and then ending on the E string. All right, here we go. Oh, and we're using the rhythm, the twinkle variation A rhythm, the tiri, tiri, ti, ti, rhythm pattern. Okay, ready, go. Rock it to the D string. Rock it to the G string. Now from open E. Shh. And that's it. So those are your first 3 little short pieces that has a whole bunch of technique in them. And again, I will detail that technique out in the description, and we can talk about it at your next lesson. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.